Hey there, Ivana here, and I don't know about you, but when someone says Google AdSense, I think, come on, that is so 2008, right? Well, truth be told, actually many people are still making a ton of money from Google AdSense. So recently my friend Ram approached me saying that, Ivana, I have this mentor who's showing me how to pull in really cheap clicks from Facebook and turn that into huge Google AdSense paydays. So I was like, okay, share some of the results. So he sent me this screenshot. Now that is really impressive because those are really, really cheap clicks. So I said, okay, cool. Now share with me, some of the income proof as well. So they sent me this live video. Now, I said, okay, great. I really want to learn more. Can you share it with me? So what they shared is that his mentor, Vahab, who actually created this course, he made a small mistake on running Facebook ads, and that tiny mistake turned into a really nice find, which is he is able to pull in really cheap traffic from Facebook and monetize it with Google AdSense. So he rinsed and repeated all the mistakes that he made, and he realized this actually works. So what they did is put together a complete course showing you exactly how to follow into their footsteps and make this work. I mean, the results over $100,000 in 1 year from Google AdSense. That is not a pocket change, and that is exactly what you learn in this course. So if you would like to get full access, all you really need to do right now is click on the Buy Now button, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.